In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to add and delete items from eBay watch list. If you use eBay to browse for products you may want to buy later, the watch list is a really helpful feature. It lets you keep track of items you're interested in without needing to purchase them right away. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access your watch list and how to remove an item from it. This is a quick process, and once you know where everything is, it becomes very easy to manage. To begin, go to eBay and make sure you're on the main site interface. From there, look for the watch list option. This is the section where eBay stores all of the listings you've saved to review later. Click on watch list to open it. Once you're in this area, you'll be able to see the items you've been following. This is useful for checking price changes, availability, or simply comparing options before making a decision. After the watch list opens, find the item you want to manage and click on that item. This takes you directly to the item's listing page. Opening the listing is important because it gives you access to the full item details and the controls related to saving or unsaving that listing. If you have several watched items, it can help to take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one before making changes. Once the item page is open, look for the heart icon. On eBay, the heart symbol shows whether an item is saved to your watch list. If the item is currently being watched, the heart will already be active. Click the heart icon to remove the item from your watch list. After you click it, the listing will no longer be saved, which means it won't appear in your watched items anymore. And that's all there is to deleting an item from your eBay watch list. If you want to keep your watch list organized, it's a good idea to review it from time to time and remove items you're no longer interested in. That way, the listings you truly care about are easier to find. As for adding items, the process uses that same heart icon on an item listing. When you click the heart on a product you want to, it gets added to your watch list, and clicking it again removes it. So once you understand how the heart icon works, managing your watch list becomes simple and intuitive. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add and delete items from eBay watch list.